This emergency update message is from the Canadian government and the Department of Sigma Skibidi Toilet Riz. If you are reading this, you have survived the Minnesota incident. Unfortunately, the nuke did not kill Dr. Sylvian. Here's proof, you bitch. It only made him angrier. Dr. Sylvian has survived and is now level Graham's number GYATT. The Canadian government has given up and moved to Tatooine. You are on your own.
Do not call Mudkip again. He has blocked our number and is currently posting angry rants on Reddit.
Trico isn't responding. What do I do?
Have you tried offering him a rare candy and a subscription to Disney Plus?
If you see Dr. Sylvian, do not panic. Simply stand still and accept your fate as a victim.
My style is ridiculous.